Welcome back to the Car Collective, where luxury meets performance and the future is always one step closer. Today, we're diving into one of the most exclusive and opulent releases from Mercedes-Benz. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Maytos SL. This isn't just a car. It's a rolling work of art, a statement of craftsmanship, and a bold declaration that ultimate luxury still has a place in a fast-paced, electric-obsessed world. At first glance, the Maytos SL demands attention. It's unmistakably a Maybach sculpted with elegance, wrapped in high-gloss deep metallic paint and finished with polished chrome accents that sparkle like fine jewelry. But what truly sets the Maytos SL apart is its silhouette, a low-slung, two-seater roadster with a long bonnet and a tapering rear deck that looks like it belongs on a yacht more than a highway. This is coach building at its finest, where every curve is intentional and every line whispers exclusivity. Under the hood, the Maytos SL isn't just about showing off, it's got the muscle to match. Powered by a handcrafted 6.0-liter V12 turbo engine, it delivers a staggering 621 horsepower and 1,000 Newton-meters of torque. This translates to a 0 to 100 kilometers per hour time of just under 4 seconds, which is mind-blowing for a car that feels more like a luxury lounge on wheels. And yes, it roars like a true Maybach should, smooth, deep, and confident. Step inside and the experience turns surreal. The interior is where the Maytos name truly comes to life. You're surrounded by the finest materials imaginable. White crystal Napa leather, genuine rose gold trim, and hand-polished wood panels. The digital cockpit melts into the cabin, with a massive old display that feels more like a high-end art installation than a dashboard. Every stitch, every button, every contour is custom crafted. This is not mass production. This is automotive. Haute couture. Mercedes-Maybach has designed the Maytos SL not to be practical, but to be poetic. There's no rear seat, no excessive tech distractions, and certainly no compromise. Even the roof is a work of art, a handcrafted tonneau cover designed to be left off, because this car was meant to be experienced under open skies. Only a very limited number of these will be made, and each one will be individually commissioned. No two Maytos SLs will be exactly alike. This is a collector's dream, a connoisseur's masterpiece, and quite possibly one of the last V12 powered open-top Maybachs the world will ever see. So, if you're dreaming of automotive perfection, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach Maytos SL just might be the pinnacle. That's it for today's feature. Let us know in the comments, is this the most beautiful Maybach ever made? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exclusive car content only here on the Car Collective.